In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cloudflare Warp on Windows. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, we're going to open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. It's really easy, just type in Google, if it's not already your homepage, and hit enter. Once you're on Google, we're going to use the search bar, which is usually right in the center of your screen, to search for download Cloudflare. Just type in those words and press enter. This should bring up a list of search results related to Cloudflare downloads. Next, we want to locate the link that says Download Warp Stable Releases. This link is typically listed near the top of your search results. Give that link a click and it will take you directly to the Cloudflare's download page. Once you're there, you'll likely see various options for downloads. Our focus today is on the stable releases, as they are the most tested versions and will offer the best experience. Look for the option labeled Stable Releases and click on it to proceed further. This will ensure you're getting the version that's been put through the most rigorous testing phases by Cloudflare. Now you should see an option to download latest stable release. This is the version we want to install on your Windows machine. Go ahead and click on that and your browser should start downloading the file immediately. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments to a few minutes. Just be patient. Once the download is complete, it's time to install Cloudflare Warp on your device. Locate the downloaded file on your computer, which will likely be in your Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. Double-click the setup file to launch the installation process. Usually a setup wizard pops up to guide you through the installation steps. It's pretty straightforward. You can just follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve clicking Next a few times and agree to any terms and conditions. And that's it. Once the installation is complete, you should have Cloudflare Warp up and running on your Windows machine. Feel free to explore its features and settings. Cloudflare Warp helps in securing your internet connection and can also improve internet speed by routing traffic through Cloudflare's network. I hope this guide was helpful and that you've successfully installed Cloudflare Warp on your Windows computer. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.